Hi everybody. Hi, my name is Jensen. Today I'm going to do this short video because I noticed some, especially for the newbies and the beginners who might find it to remember the flow of the raw soup could be quite challenging. Especially for those who are using the fingers, you will try to remember everything using the finger pointing, using the fingers. But of course, there is other methods that can make remember of this flying flow of the lawsuit easy. That is what my course is all about. It's about simplifying the whole Feng Shui learning. How you can remember the lawsuit in a very simple way. And this is part of my foundation course that I teach in the class. Okay, first, as you know, lawsuit was found from the this tortoise bag, this 9 number. So the normal way of flying is that you will start with number 5 in the middle, then followed by, from a 5, you move to number 6, which is right bottom, 7, 8, 9. This is the actual flow of the lawsuit that most of us learn in the early days. So it is a very good practice that you can use your finger, and also you can use your this 9 grid box to fly it. So this is how people who apply flying stars or yearly flying star, this is a very good. And what I'm going to show to you, the original lawsuit pattern, that means 5 in the middle. How can you do it without flying the lawsuit and you can remember where the position of all the numbers? Okay, the very first one. Okay, always remember, number 1 is the tail of this tortoise. So there's only 1 tail. So normally I give it as a number 1. Then the next one is number 9. That is the head. So since that you only got maximum is 9, so the maximum number is the head. And the tail is number 1. Okay, then the next one, in the middle, I only put in all the odd numbers, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 3, 5, 7. So you remember that there's a 3, 5, 7. Then followed by applying the even number that is to the 4 limbs, the 4 legs. So there is 2, 4, 6, 8. And here you go. You have all the lawsuit number. And very simple. You don't have to fly the star. You just remember how the flow runs. Okay. And of course, then you apply the qua and all that. So this is a very simple way where you can just master it within 1-2 minutes once you remember the formula. So this is where can you find this lawsuit and in your law pan, the Chinese compass, your law pan. Where can you find this? In your law pan for the early heaven trigram and the later trigram. Okay, for the early trigram, it's always on the first ring that you can find here. Well, for mine is this is from my law pan. My law pan is slightly different from the rest because they also have English version. So we have some English words there. We also have numbers. So for the later trigram, you look into these small circles. So this is where our law pan is. So you can find your later trigram and early trigram inside the law pan. For the early trigram, basically you only remember the qua, and for the later trigram, we only remember the number. It's not that we don't remember the qua, but it's easier for us to remember the number. Then you relate to the qua, like whether is it 乾卦、坤卦、离卦、坎卦、震卦、颓卦、巽卦 and 艮卦. So we will know by then. So if you have any question, you can always reach me at my website. There is bazicourse.com, or you can WhatsApp me at 65969638883899, or you can always find me in my Facebook page at Fengshui Bazi Club. Okay, my name is Jensen, and nice sharing with all of you. Okay, thank you.